Hello traders, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. My name is Darius and I'm a smart money concept trader. Now in this video, we're going to make some daily Forex market analysis. I'm going to give you new updates. Now hopefully you took some trades already because GU moved crazy today. Also the GJs took their 2 trades on each pair. So on GU I took a long, then afterwards I took a short, so I played a little bit of ping pong with GU. Unfortunately, price dropped afterwards even lower, and I missed an incredible opportunity as well. Now in this video, I'm going to show you what I did exactly, and I'm going to give you updates on how we can trade it. Okay? Now, guys, before I'm going to forget it, check out my Instagram because I'm sharing there always the trades that we take in a circle. So here, that was the GU trade. I'm going to mark it up in today's video as well, but it was a 20R trade. Very simple, very fast. So I closed it in a very short time period. And I also took afterwards a short, so here price then dropped. Unfortunately, I closed it way too early. But yeah, that's the game. On GJ, that was an even crazier setup, so I scaled in with 2 positions. Yeah, also my students, boom, they took GJ as well. Price moved up crazy. That was the one ping pong trade. And yeah, posted it on YouTube already in a short. Here's some feedback from my students. So yeah, I think it works pretty good for them to trade my strategy. And if you would like to join us, guys, then here is the link for the inner circle. This is the launch pass where you can be part of us. Put in your email, credit card, and you will be part of our community. You will be added automatically in the Discord channel. You will get mentored by me, watching some videos, weekly Zoom calls. There is a fix, IDs, markups, questions, anything that you want. I'm here to help you. And for everybody who is in the inner circle, it works pretty good. So you can just check out in the Instagram all the feedbacks that I posted there already. So guys, I would say we're going to jump right into this video. And we're going to start with the GU. Because here in the GU is what we took today. So on GU, I took this wonderful trade. Now, I explained it to you already in the YouTube video that from my point of view, GU is bullish. So I was only looking to get involved into a long trade setup. Now, as you can see, price dropped over there pretty aggressively to the downside. And when I see something like that, I'm going to analyze it to understand, okay, what is the market really about to do? Now the thing is, whenever we see something like that, the majority of retailer will think, yeah, the market will drop down lower. But in fact, it's always moving then the other side because they are grabbing that way the liquidity from the retail traders. And this is why I thought today, okay, let's get involved into long positions. So overall, we've been tapping into a high liquidity point in the market, and that's the biggest thing right now. That's why I wanted to see price going up higher. Of course, I need to wait for some further confirmations. And as you can see, price then tapped into my zone. I took my trade and I closed it at this liquidity area over there. Now, of course, I thought about price will go even higher, but I understood that the price is here switching. So I switched momentum and price dropped dramatically. Now, I didn't thought that price will drop like this. At the point when price came over here back to the upside, I thought about I could take a short right now because everything was setting up for this short trade. So everybody who's in the inner circle, they know exactly that this was a textbook example, but we most of the times do not take trades that late. And I thought about let's take it, but instead taking it, I was just eating, So I went to go eating and I missed this incredible opportunity. Now I banked all in all 27R, so 20R on this, 7R on this, and price went down like this. So that would have been an additional 50R, something like that, which would have been possible if I would have taken this trade. Now, I would say let's make a full breakdown for GU, what we can expect right now, because currently a lot of traders, they've lost a lot, So a bunch of money they've lost over there. And I'm going to show you right now my point of view right now, what I expect from GU to do. Because whenever I see something like that, I'm more than likely right now looking for a bullish setup. Now let me explain you why. Now this time we're even switching to the monthly time frame, because on the monthly time frame we're already there, you know. So we're already in this monthly demand. Now this demand, you can draw it like this. It's super big. I would not suggest you trading the monthly time frame, of course not. It's only important for us to understand where the price is currently. So yes, we are dropping from the supply and we're currently pushing in this demand. So price more than likely will respect this zone and will give us at least a push to the upside. Now it doesn't mean right now that the GU will give us this kind of movement. Of course it could do it, because all in all it is still bullish from my point of view, but price could drop like this as well before going up like that, you know. So it's right now not very interesting for us to look too much on the monthly time frame, but the weekly is definitely important. Okay, so let me just show you something. On the weekly, we tapped into this demand zone, and this demand zone has liquidity. Now whenever something has liquidity, we may expect something. We may expect price going a little bit higher, and my expectations are that price will push up like this. So that's a possibility, or at least till this area over there. Now let's see how far it will push up. I will definitely look, when you're watching this video right now, I will definitely look to get involved into a long position. Now, of course, we're going to switch down to the lower time frames to see what will occur again. So I do not care about how the daily candle will close, stuff like that. That's only retail mentality over here. What I wanted to see is what the price is really about to do. And what I expect is from this current price, where the price is, it will, drop like this. Probably take out the low once again to get even more liquidity. So it will depend on how much liquidity this market has. Already here where the price is reacting from, there is something, you know, there is an order from such an institution who is willing to buy through it. Now what I wanted to see is the price will right now tap in at least this area, and from there we can expect short movements. Everything will be decided on how aggressive this movement will be, how far we're going to drop, in order to understand where the future for GU is. Because GU is already in this weekly demand, you know, so we don't have right now too much pips to move to the downside. And if price will move below this weekly support over there, then price potentially will drop even more to the downside, you know. So my expectation currently is that price will do something like this, push down, and then we'll find somewhere support. And the support could be still here, you know. So something like that is what I expect from a higher time frame perspective. But for us, we want to take a trade now, right now. We will need to monitorize how the market will be developed, if price will accumulate here some position. So that will be my idea, that I will look to get involved into a long right into the zone here. Okay, that's it. So that's my whole trade idea that I'm looking for currently. I would like to take a long on GU so I can exit it over there. So I definitely want to exit over there, because I'm not sure what the price will do, you know. I'm waiting then, because from there we could look for a short, and let's see if it will be just a correction based off this new created impulse, or if the price will drop one more time to the downside. And if it will do this, I will look from there for a quick buy. But price could from here still break it to the upside and then drop a little bit lower and then pushing it up higher. All in all, what I wanted to see is right now price to push up higher into the zone, and that's my whole idea and my whole focus right now. I will not hold it any longer, so when price will tap into the zone, I will close it. That's it. So that zone, or let's make it more bigger, let's say only till this zone, okay? Because I'm not sure if we will really dive into that to the depth. Potentially price will just tap in here and then will correct immediately. Okay, that's my idea on GU. Let's continue with the Euro USD. Now, as you can see, Euro USD played out pretty good. So in all scenarios that I mapped out, it went bullish, So my idea was that price will be bullish, and look at this, tapped in exactly to my structural point that I mapped out over there. So price tapped into it and then gave us this quick reaction. Now I wanted to give you a quick update to tell you right now what I expect from the euro. Now I told you already that I expect euro to be bullish, and euro will be still bullish from my point of view, because what it did, it was just right now clearing out some liquidity. So it was necessary because price tapped into an area over there. Not sure if we will tap into it one more time, not sure about this, but what we did is we took out liquidity, and price will now use this liquidity. I mean, it used it already to bring it up higher. So the idea is definitely still bullish on the euro. That was here definitely something important, structural point, as you can see. So it was a zone where the price completely reversed. So I can map that out. So here, as you can see, so it could have been possible to take a short over there as well. Me personally, I didn't monitorize the whole market at that time, only the GU a little bit quick, and I thought about let's get involved in the short. But then I thought about, okay, it's enough for today, So I banked already 50R that day, because I'm going to show you the GJ trades again. Also the GJ trades, I will show it to you. Okay. On the euro, I will wait right now for price to give me something like this. But also here, I would like to see price tapping into this area, into this area, and potentially even higher, because I feel this whole area right now to be a liquidity point. So my idea is that price, let's see, let's delete it. My idea is that the price will go even higher. So it is my level. No matter what it will do, I expect again something like this, a range market here, and then at some point price will move above it, and then from there I expect short. So kind of this is my scenario for the euro. So I'm also looking on the euro to get involved into a long position, and afterwards for a quick short. Let's continue with a GJ. Now in GJ, that was my trade that I was looking for. So I explained it to you already that we've been here in a 4-hour demand zone. So let me just map it out for you very quick. So it's this demand zone. Right now we're in the second one. So I explained this one to you. Price will go from here to the upside or the other one. And this is what it did at the end, So price really gave a reaction from it. And that was the reaction that I traded. And it was way too much for me. So I was very happy to it. I scaled in with 2 positions. So this one over here was my first position. Price moved aggressively. I targeted the liquidity above. 8R in profit was good. 8.3R in profit. And then the second one, almost 15, was just waiting. Price reacted to my area pretty good. Gave me this another short movement to the upside. Very quickly, I closed it. And I thought about when price was there, let me just take some partials, So that was my first thinking. Should I even take some partials? Because we've been here at a very strong, important level. But then I thought about, okay, let's just close it because I have enough profit on the first side. Second is, we have here something, So we have another liquidity spot just below it. So the chances that the price will tap into it is super high. I mean, whenever we have zones like that, what we expect on almost every zone is something like a quick reaction. And that one quick reaction we had over there, and that was what I traded on the GJ. I will post this one on Instagram as well. Right now, what you will find on Instagram is only the GU trades, these 2. But I will post the other one as well. But I will do it just today when you're watching it. Okay, so what can we expect right now? So I think it's clear, what we can expect. From here, another move to the upside. So this zone is not necessary anymore, so we can simply just delete it. and we're just focusing right now on this zone. So from here, bullish movement is what I wanted to see, something like that right now, because price just created even more liquidity right now with these fake manipulative movements, and we got here an area. But all in all, the whole GJ is setting up for something very big from my point of view. Now I'm not sure what it will do, because it has just too much liquidity here on both sides. Now expectation would be, if price will have here enough liquidity, option number one is price will move like this, you know, till this area, and then from there it will drop like this to target this whole liquidity over there. Or second option, price will push up, take out liquidity, push like this, and then bullish continuation. It will clear out everything what you see here. So you have here two super bullish scenarios, one super bullish and the other one super bearish. Not sure which one will work out at the end. We just need to monitorize right now. What I'm interested in is only to get here involved into a new long position. Potentially tomorrow we will see price tapping deeper in the zone, and then I will look to buy. That's it. Not really difficult. Let's look the USDJPY. Yeah, USDJPY didn't move that strong right now if you compare it to GU and so on. So I explained to you already. Something that could push up and then drop. Yes, very nice. So for me, no trade on the USDJPY. Right now we're tapping into this, so it's kind of an aggressive procedure here. Boom, boom. Now let's see. Price just took out this here. Used it to get long. Right now we may see price do something like this, you know. That's what I expect right now. Of course, price could just pump up higher to tap into this zone one more time, but it's not absolutely necessary. But yes, we got there something. We got liquidity there. Price could just target this liquidity, of course. Let's see. I would say let's see what the price will give us. That's everything that I wanted to share with you. Quick reminder again, if you would like to join with me, if you would like to really understand what trading is about, it's not about patterns. I mean, yes, we are using entry patterns, but these patterns has a certain meaning, and the meaning is not that it looks like a head and shoulder or that it looks like a triangle or something like that. No, it has something to do with the markets, with the liquidity, with the big super banks, how they're acting over there. And if you're tired of these fake gurus, these fake courses, and I mean, I've been going through these courses as well, you know, so I spent so much money to understand how Forex trading works at the end. But I figured it out by myself, to be honest, because yeah, I touched smart money concept. I was not profitable with smart money concept, and I thought about, oh my god, what should I do right now? But at the end, it was the experience, it was the commitment, and it was the thousands of hours that I spent behind the screen, getting a feeling about how the markets are moving, and by understanding every single movement, you will make such crazy trades that's not even possible for you guys to imagine. So today, for me, 15R very quickly, and when my last trade I closed, it was GJ. So after GJ went there, it was here, guys, at 1 o'clock. I was ready for the day. I started around the GU was in the morning at 7 o'clock, something like 7 o'clock. From 7 till 1, that was my whole day, guys. So it was really not difficult to figure everything out. Just having a sharp eye, trained eye, of course. And yeah, that's basically it. So hopefully to see you very soon in my mentorship program, if you would like to really understand how the markets are about to do. And see you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.